Today we're here at John Wells' shop. He's letting us use his area. It looks like it's going to rain today. We got a couple projects going on. The first one is we're going to put up this e-trailer hitch on this Solaris. So this will be a good video if you're wanting to put a hitch on a Solaris or on like a Camry. This is a 2002, so anything in that generation should work okay. We'll kind of go over that in a little more detail during the video. And then we're also going to be working on another project. So be sure and tune into our Making Shutters project. We're going to be working on that today, and that'll be a separate video. Thanks for watching.
All right, we're about to start installing this hitch. This is going to be the same process for any other Camry, Solara, ES300, or ES330 from the early 2000s. It should also be a similar process for other cars. So we actually got this kit from eTrailer.com. It was really easy. We punched in our vehicle information, year, make, and model. Recommended this kit for us with all the fasteners. It has a U-bolt, some hex bolts, nuts, and some conical tooth washers. So we got this car jacked up just for sake of taking a video so you guys can see under it. That's not necessary if you're doing this yourself at home. We decided to do this because it's probably going to save us probably anywhere between $60 to $75. If we were to go to the local U-Haul or something, they're going to charge us to install this. They're also going to take the product and mark it up a little bit. So we'll show you how it's done.
Aside from a fastener kit, you'll need a 14mm winch, a 17mm winch, and an 11/16" winch. You will also need a drill with a 1/2" drill bit.
Okay, we've got our 4 bolts tightened down. We've got 2 like this on each side. And now we're going to come up here. I've already got 2 holes started, but we've got our 2 1/2" holes to drill here. And then we're going to run our U-bolt through it. Now that you've got your 2 holes drilled, now you need to take this U-bolt and fish it through.
Oh, okay.
Now that you got your U-bolt fished through, you're going to come back with your washers and your nuts. Again, you want the teeth side up on these washers. Put your nut on and get this all tightened up, and then you'll be good to go.
Alright guys, we're done. So we've got this bike rack installed in the hitch now. You can pull a trailer, whatever you need to do, but we're going to load up this bike and head out mountain biking.
Okay guys, like and subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and we'll see you next time. If you're watching this, like and subscribe, and if I go to the hospital, send me your regard.